Welcome to
KidMath number 22.
KidMath number 22. This is a kind of a combo problem from some of the math contest stuff we've been doing, but also some of the polynomial stuff we've been studying. So this is a problem from the 1989 American Invitational Mathematics exam. So this is a problem from a really difficult exam that only about 5,000 kids in the whole country take. So this is a really challenging problem. And it says 133 to the fifth plus 110 to the fifth plus 84 to the fifth plus 27 to the fifth equals n to the fifth. Find n. Whoa. Okay? Now, you spent yesterday playing around in Mathematica with parabolas, right?
Yes.
X squared. And looking at graphs. X to the fifth is going to be even steeper. And it goes out like this because a negative number to the fifth power is negative.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a super steep graph. So 133 to the fifth is a lot bigger than 110 to the fifth. A lot. Hugely bigger. Okay. So what we're going to find is that even though we're adding on some big numbers here to 133 to the fifth,
yeah,
n is probably going to be reasonably close to 133 to the fifth. Okay?
Yes.
So, and that's because this is so much bigger than these ones. Okay, no, that's fine. This isn't a problem for young kids, but I just wanted to show you some of the techniques we've been studying will help you solve a problem like this. The other technique we've been studying is last digits. So let's look at the last digits of fifth powers. X to the fifth. Just the last digit. 1 to the fifth is
just 1.
1. 2 to the fifth. What's 2 to the fifth?
Is last digit's 2.
Because it's 32. 3 to the fifth? Well, 3 to the fourth is 81, right?
Okay, so it's 243.
So the last digit is?
3.
4 to the fifth? 4 cubed is what?
Well, it's 16.
4 cubed is?
64.
64. So the last digit of 4 to the fourth is 4 times 4. So the last digit is going to be 6. 4 to the fifth. Oops. So the last digit is going to be?
4.
4. 5.
5 to the fifth, it's 5.
6 to the fifth.
Well, it's 36. 6 times 5. 6 squared is 36.
36 goes 6. 36. 216. What do you think the last digit's
6.
6.
Looks like the last digit's the same as the number.
Last digit's the same as the number, so the last digit of 133 to the fifth is going to be a 3. The last digit of 110 to the fifth is going to be a
0.
0. The last digit of 84 to the fifth is going to be?
It will be a 4. And
based on our conjecture here, the last digit is going to be a 7. And you can see that actually because it goes 7, 49. 7 times 9 is 63. 3 times 7 is 21, and then we get a 7. Okay?
Yep.
So what's 3 plus 4 plus 7?
3 plus 4 plus 7 is 14.
Okay, so the last digit of this number to the fifth is going to be a 4. That means this number, n, has to end in a 4. Okay, so we can guess it's either going to be 134, 144, or maybe 154. Okay, depending on how big we get.
Yes.
Okay, now, so we just have to ask the question. This is super close to 133. This is getting a little bit farther away, and this is getting a little bit farther away. So what would you guess would be the number here?
I would guess this.
And guess what? That's the right answer. So just a little bit of last digit and a little bit of futzing around, we can actually figure this out, this incredibly complicated problem out.
Yeah.
That's a problem for like the top 5,000 high school kids, just from what we've been studying. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So someday you'll be able to look at a problem like this and sort of be able to think through it all the way on your own. Looking forward to that?
Yeah.
All right, me too. Good job. Good job. That was a fun problem.